This is our fourth video. In the second video, we have already used this formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers, and now we have to prove this formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. The two numbers are 16 and 20 are two numbers. The factor of 16 like this: 16 divided by 2 we get 8, 8 divided by 2 we get 4, 4 divided by 2 we get 2, and 2 divided by 2. This is the prime factorization of 16, same as the prime factorization of 20. So HCF, look at this, the common values, look at this 2 and this 2 is common in both. This is also common in both. So 2 into 2, this is the HCF. For LCM, look at here is a 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and in second situation 2 is 2 times. So maximum time of 2 is 4 times. So we are taking 2 raised to power 4. And 5 is single time in this 20. So 5 is taking 1 time. 2 raised to 4 means 16, and into 5 we get 18. This is LCM. So now we have to put formula HCF into LCM is equal to product of two number. HCF is equal to 4, LCM is equal to this is 80, replace here 80, and product of two numbers are these, two numbers are 16 and 20. So 16 into 20, this is 320, and 80 into 4, 320, and this formula is verified. Now for the chapter 1 real number exercise 1.4, this is the last exercise, and for the chapter 1. So real number means rational and irrational. Rational number is also divided into two parts. One is the terminating decimal and second is the non-terminating repeating. Terminating and non-terminating repeating, these two together is called a rational number. Terminating like this, 0.36 is terminating and 1.81 bar is non-terminating. 0.36 means this is the 0.36, it means 36 by 100, and 36 divided by 100, point is here, point 0 is here, and by 3 this is 300, and then after 60 also one more 0, and 6 this is 600, and cross is here. When the remainder is 0, it means this is the terminating decimal. So 0.36 is terminating decimal, and 1.81 bar, it means 1.81 bar means 1.818181 dash dash dash. It means this is the non-terminating repeating. Terminating and non-terminating repeating together is called rational number. And how can we check this is the terminating decimal? For example, first of all a rational number is given, and we convert the rational number into the lowest form. After lowest form, we check the denominator. If denominator is in the form of power of 2 or power of 5 or both, then it is terminating decimal. Look at these are the terminating decimal: 13 by 3, 125, 17 by 8. These two are in the lowest form, and this is the denominator 3125. The factor of 3125 like this: first we divide by 5, get 625. Again we divide by 5, 125, again 5, 25, again divided by 5, and at last 5 divided by 5. This here is all 5 is here, and denominator is in the form of power of 5. And look at this is the 8 is there, 17 by 8, and the factor of 8 in the form of 2. So this is the terminating decimal, denominator is in the form of power of 2 or power of 5 or both. Here is all 5 are there. So this is terminating decimal, and 17 by 8, here is all 2 are there. This is also terminating decimal. For example, factor in this form is there, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then also this is the terminating are there. Terminating, look at this, power of 2, this is power of 5, this is also, and the both means factor together 2 into 5. These are the qualities of terminating decimal. Same as non-terminating repeating means 1.818181. After decimal digit is repeated again and again, then it is called non-terminating repeating. And denominator other than power of 2 or 5. Look at this. Non-terminating decimal, look at this. This is the 129 by 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to 5. Is cancelling by 3. 3 raised to 7 cancelling by 3, we get 3 raised to 6. And this is cancelling by 3, we get 43. And now it is the lowest form, and check it denominator. Power of 2 is here, power of 5 is here, but power of 3 is there. So this is the other than a power of 2 or 5, then it is called non-terminating repeating. Terminating and non-terminating repeating both together is called rational number. And now we discuss on to the irrational number. Irrational number means non-terminating, non-repeating, like this 1.03, 003, 0003. This is called non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. This is irrational number means non-terminating, non-repeating. Yeah, this is irrational. Now look at this. Already we have to, I'm telling you terminating decimal. Here is example already we have taken. Now non-terminating decimal, how can you, this is the irrational number, how can you change into the decimal form? For decimal form, first of all, the factor of the denominator is there, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. And now denominator we will convert into the form of 10. So base is converted into the like this. This is the 5, and this 5 you will make into the form of 10. So multiply 2 by 2. 5 into 2. This is 10 again. Next 5 is there. Again you do 2 by 2. One more 5 is there. Again you do 2 by 2. And fourth 5 is there. Again you do 2 by 2. And for the last 5, 2 by 2. So 5 into 2. This is 10. Again 5 into 2. 10, 5 into 2, 10, this one 5 into 2, 10, and 5 into 2, 10. 13 is here in numerator place, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 into 13, we get 416 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 are there, and decimal before 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and decimal. And this is converted into the rational number in the form of decimal. Now I am telling you, here is also one more example, 43.123456789. In this decimal we will check the nature. So for removing the decimal, how many digits are there? 9 digits are there. So in denominator place we are taking 10 raised to power 9. The factor of 10 is, this is the 10, the factor of 10 is 2 into 5 raised to 9. It means this is denominated in the form of 2 raised to 9 and 5 raised to 9. It means the denominator is in the form of power of 2 and power of 5. So this is the terminating decimal. Now look at there, 43.57 bar, 57, 57, 57 many times. So this is non-terminating repeating, and this is also rational number. One more example also there, 0.12, 0, 12, 00, 12, 000, 12 dash dash. This is called non-terminating, non-repeating. This is irrational. So irrational number always in the form of non-terminating, non-repeating, but rational number is always in the form of terminating as well as non-terminating repeating. So we have to complete our chapter. This is chapter 1, real number. Exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 all have to complete it into the 4 videos. Thank you.